show you how to download iOS 14. First, go to Safari, type get iOS beta.com. This website will open. Go down until you see this big box said iOS 14. Click on it. Here you wait 4 seconds. After the page download, scroll down until you find this blue arrow and tap here to download iOS 14. Hit allow to set profile downloaded, close, and go to settings. You will find here profile downloaded. Tap on it and tap install, but I will tap cancel because I already downloaded it. After this, you will go to software update and you will find that iOS is downloaded. iOS 14 is downloaded. Thank you.